What's up, you guys? It's Matt here. Welcome back to another video. Now, I've been able to reflect on some things. I've had a long reflection on my price predictions. I think this is something that is fairly interesting to me, not just saying because, I'm creating these price predictions and I'm usually talking about all the positions that I love, right? That I've invested into, that I've put my money, my time, my effort, all of those different things into what these positions are, my research into them. I see many comments that are out there that give me the time, right? Especially with the last maybe 4 or 5 days, where I've been able to have this time to think about those predictions there. And also, while I'm thinking about those predictions, I see a lot of the comments, the notifications that come up on my phone, which granted, I probably should not have notifications on my phone. I like to make sure I keep things kind of separate so that when I'm not working, I'm not working. Especially when you work in this kind of field, it's like everything is considered working. You're on your phone, immediately responding to comments, you're working, right? But that's neither here nor there. What it is I see these comments that are saying, hey, XRP will never get to $100 per coin. XRP will never get to $200, $300. We'll never get to a $1 trillion market cap. CRO will never get to $3, right? Jasmine coin will never get to $1, right? And that's the strong words, right? Never. The absolute words that I've trained myself not to use. Because if I use those absolute words, then it means for me that 100% those things are going to happen, right? If you say it's an absolute, you say that things are never going to happen, that is a 100% chance that it will not happen. Now, the main reason why I don't really use them in investing or honestly anywhere is because of what I've seen within it, right? What I've been wrong because, or where I've been wrong because I use those words. If I said that XRP would never get to $1 again, obviously it did. I've seen those comments come up where XRP would never get to $1 again, but obviously it's at a level of $2 and $3 and pushing a level of $4 or $5. So it's interesting because I want to kind of educate people on what predictions are and what they mean when somebody like me comes across YouTube and puts out these predictions, and maybe even how you should take it, how you should handle it when you see those predictions. Because most people take whatever the thumbnail is and they treat it as if the entire video was just about that specific thing, right? Yes, it may be surrounding it, but it's not about just saying this is 100% true. It's about explaining where you're coming from and listening to that explanation. So for this video, hopefully you guys hear me out, which most likely you won't if you're one of those people that have commented and said that they despise this type of content and they don't want to see any more of it, even though they continue to comment and continue to come back. All they have to do is say YouTube don't recommend it, but they continue to get recommended because they're like, I want to go back and say whatever I want to say. And maybe you also seen some gains from it. But anyways, guys, hit the like button, hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell for more of these videos. Also, make sure you check out some of the links that are down below. It does help out the channel. And if you guys want to follow me on Twitter, follow me on Patreon, those links are in the description. Now, also, don't forget about my link for BTCC. If you guys are interested in a platform to where you can leverage trade, 500x leverage up to 500x leverage. You can do from a 1x leverage up to a 500x leverage. You can also trade outright. So you can buy a position and own it 100% on this platform. And you can also dummy trade or have a fake account basically to where you can test trading in the markets, right? And that's great for you if you have the ambition to be a day trader or to trade short term. It's great for that. So definitely check it out. Link down there in the description for BTCC. It's a great platform. I've been able to gain quite a bit from it. I already took decent gains from these positions, but I kept some in there because, you want to let those live on and be able to make a decent amount of money afterwards. I'm up 600% or 63% or even 23% on this position. And it varies as we put through different positions that are there. Thinking about doing one in Bitcoin very, very soon. But let's talk about this, right? If we look at some of my YouTube videos, right? I have a couple of YouTube videos where I put in my prediction, and whether it's on CRO or it's on XRP or it's on Jasmine Coin up to 20 cents or whatever, right? How high will XRP go from $1 to $5 to $10 or whatever? We have different predictions that are out there, and these mean a lot to me. When I put through a prediction, I put through a lot of time and effort, and I also only really go through and research what I'm invested in, because there's no point in believing in someone's prediction in where they feel like things are going if they don't hold that position as well, right? Because that's kind of the point of it, is that you believe in it so much that you are holding it, that you are seeing this thing through. And when I look at my XRP holdings, again, people don't like me mentioning it, but I have a significant amount of XRP, and I still hold that XRP, even through getting to $3.40. So with that being said, it shows that I believe in where my predictions are. But leaving alone the predictions, when I invest into a position, I'm making an exit plan. That exit plan consists of many different levels, right? It's a level to where I want to collect my initial investment, a level to where I want to collect profit, more profit, more profit, more profit, and so on and so forth until I reach the max level that I plan to hold for that position. Now for XRP, that max level is undetermined, right? Because I have forever cryptocurrency that I'm going to hold pretty much forever. That's one of those absolutes, right? I have a certain amount that I'm going to hold in my Ledger wallet forever, and I don't plan on selling it. However, the majority of what I have in XRP will be traded short term. So when I put out a prediction, it's not just about that highest point. It's about giving you a ceiling to look forward to, but then also being able to capitalize on all of the other levels that are below it. So if you think that I'm telling you, hey, you only need to hold 100 XRP because it's going to get to $10,000 and then you'll be able to be a millionaire from that, that's not what I'm telling you, right? I'm telling you that XRP could get to a level of $100, could get to a level of 200, 300, 400, 500 based on all these factors that can happen. But then comes up my exit plan where I tell you my first selling point is $5. If I 100% believe that that was going to be the case where it's going to get there, and you didn't have any type of varying factors, then yeah, I wouldn't have my first selling point as $5. I would have my first selling point a lot higher than that, because if it's a guarantee, it doesn't make sense to pass up a guarantee. However, with all of these variables, with XRP potentially becoming the world currency, with use cases, with being able to use as form of payments, right? With many other varying factors. For some reason, I'm literally drawing a blank when it comes to XRP. But when you look at all these things, it depends on what's going to happen there, and that will tell you where the price is going, and the price will continue to rise based on more and more use and more implementation and partnerships and all of that other stuff. So that's what I wanted to say. A prediction is merely just kind of a level, or I guess what you can take from it is a prediction is a level to where you can look at as a cap, right? You can look at as a ceiling or a floor, right? Not a floor as in the bottom, but like the next floor up, right? The next level. It's the second level, the third level, the fourth level, the fifth level, however many levels are in the building. You can look at it like that and say, okay, within this this point, and when it reaches this ceiling, I want to have this much left. But throughout that process, this is my selling point based on these predictions that I see that are out there. So when I say XRP can get to $100, I really believe they can get to $100. Will I have all of my XRP at that level? No, I will not, right? Because it all depends on the things that are going to happen. And I want to be able to spread wealth other places. I don't want to have it when it does get to $100, right? And I have, however many coins that are there. That will be a significant amount of my wealth that's literally just in one position. And I like to make sure I'm diversified, and I'm sure you would as well. So anyways, I wanted to put that out there because I have many different positions that I And I talk about that I give certain levels to, whether it's XRP to $100, Solana to 1,000, Cardano to $5 or $10 or more than that. Litecoin to 1,000 plus $2,000 or so, Caspa to $1, Chronos to a level of $3, and so on and so forth. Many predictions that are out there that you can look at as maybe a milestone or a ceiling, and then be able to create your exit plan off of. So hopefully that's what you guys are doing, creating exit plans and believing in your own predictions and your own research that's there. But that's what I wanted to talk to you guys about. Let me know what you think about this video. Hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell for more of these videos. Also, make sure you check out my link for BTCC down below. I'm going to get out of here. I'll catch you in the next one. See ya.